Today, we will learn a magical cards trick.
Ma'am, it sounds like amazing trick.
Let's start. Step 1. Choose a number between 1 to 63 and keep that number in your mind.
Done, ma'am.
Step 2. Now tell me the number you have chosen is present in this card.
Yes, ma'am.
Step 3. Now tell me, is it present in this card?
Yes, ma'am.
Step 4. Now tell me, is it there in this card?
No, ma'am.
Step 5. Now tell me, is it there in this card?
No, ma'am.
Step 6. Now tell me, is it there in this card?
Yes, ma'am.
Final step. Now tell me, is it there in this card?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Let me try to guess the number you have selected. So, the number you have selected is 42. Is it right?
Yes, ma'am. But how did you know the right number?
Don't worry. Now, I am going to tell you the secret of this trick. Let's see. First of all, these 6 cards are not ordinary cards. They give me specific number, which can help me to find the number. Let's start. Step 1. Now ask your friend to select one number from 1 to 63. Suppose 42. Step 2. Now, ask your friend about the number he has selected is present in any of the 6 cards. If yes, then we will deal with those cards only. Step 3. We will separate the cards in which the number is present. Step 4. Now take the top left digit from the cards in which the number is present. Step 5. Next we add all of the digits and you will get the same number that your friend selected.
Wow. This is very amazing trick, ma'am.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe to Rapid Maths Tricks for more knowledgeable videos. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for the latest update. In this video, we completed Rapid Magical Cards trick. In next video, we are going to cover 5-step magical addition trick.